Hello from Bush Support. In this video, we will show you how to solve signal issues on your television. These tips are useful for scenarios where your TV has no signal, poor signal, or is losing channels. Firstly, check the aerial is secure in the aerial port. You may need to push firmly for it to connect. Then, change the input source on the TV to the correct source. This is usually called TV or DTV. Next, perform an automatic channel scan on the TV to retune the channels. If the problem remains, check if there are any signal issues in the area. Use the Freeview website to check your nearest transmitter and if there are any problems. If there are issues, we recommend monitoring and retuning again when the signal coverage improves. If the signal coverage shows good signal in the area, perform a first-time installation on the TV. This varies by the model. If you are unsure on the steps, then consult the user manual or contact the support team. For indoor portable aerials, use an online checker to confirm the distance from the transmitter and checking the aerial is suitable for this range.